People ask me, how do I stop my bathroom from getting wet? Here are 5 simple and effective tips. Wait till the end for a bonus tip that will make your bathroom experience even better. First and foremost, ensure your bathroom has proper ventilation. A good quality exhaust fan can reduce humidity levels. Remember to use it during and after your shower. Invest in effective cleaning tools or liquids like a bathroom mop or a good quality floor wiper. Use a homemade mixture of equal parts of water and white vinegar for cleaning. Next, always go for a porcelain or a ceramic tiles because they resist water and stains, making them easy to wipe and clean. Bath mats. They can prevent excess water from re-entering your bathroom space. Best fabrics for these would be microfibers or cotton. The best way to keep your floors dry is to install a glass shower enclosure to prevent water from escaping, separating wet and dry areas. Time for the bonus tip. I know long, relaxing showers are tempting, but consider shortening them a bit. Not only will this save water, but it will also dry your bathroom a lot quicker. Do comment below if you have an effective tip that keeps the bathroom dry, and follow Salman Sirs for more such quick and easy tips.